Yep, this was a long trip. Since I had to head to South Korea for a bit, I stopped by the hard-off near the ferry terminal at Shin Shimonoseki. I figured it would be a great way to kill some time before the slow boat to Busan. Wait for it, and here's the nozomi I took from Tokyo to Shin Shimonoseki. If you get a window seat on the right side, you can see Mount Fuji as you head west out of Tokyo. And here we are, Eco-town Shin Shimonoseki. These eco-towns combine multiple off stores like Hard Off, Hobby Off, and Off House. Now where's that junk section? Oops, that way's blocked. Here we go, let's check out the cases. Car head units. No MDs here. No MDs there either. Let's check out the junk bins. We've got quite a few media bins here. VHS-C, cassettes, MO, but no MDs. No luck here, how about the next bin? VHS-C, CDRs, DVD-R, DV, and cassettes, but no MDs. One more up here. Wow, plenty of VHS-C, but no MDs here either. Okay, moving on to some decks. I like this Sony MDS DAV1. It's the MD part of a system and it looks nice and sleek. This one didn't turn on, but I'd like a working one someday. CD and MD work on this nice blue Denon, but it does have some wonky buttons. Maybe okay just for 11 bucks. Here's a pair of Panasonics with the cool control knob. Everything works except cassette for about 17 bucks. If I wasn't getting on a boat, I'd snag one of these. Here's a dual MD Victor. Only MDA works, but it's cheap. Could need a belt change. This Victor looks cute, but won't keep the MDs inside. I like these Sony NAS units, but this one won't play MDs. Too bad, since the other stuff works. This nice looking Kenwood has a working CD and MD for just over 20 bucks. The MD doesn't work on this Panasonic. No luck with MDs on this nice looking Panasonic either. This has the 5 CD changer. CD and MD work on this older Panasonic if you're okay with no volume knob. MD works on this Sharp. I have a working one and I like it for just under 8 bucks. And here's the best for last, a Kenwood VC7 DVD. This rare system does it all, including NetMD. CD doesn't work, but for 15 bucks I should have picked this up. Unfortunately, I was about to get on a small ferry. Does anyone want to grab this from Shin Shimonoseki? NetMD decks like these are rare, and this one is cheap and complete with remote and cables. Well, I'm sure I'll regret passing on this. I hope some MD lover snags it. This one is way outside of Tokyo, and I'll be looking for more like this soon. As always, thanks for watching.